boy, come here. Here's my big boy. When I call him, he'll come. He's gonna come to eat his food. Good boy. Good boy, big boy. Come here. I'm gonna put you some food for you. Yeah, just a minute. Come on here. Havik. All the chickens, the big boy, they all wants to eat. All right, big boy, here it is. Just a minute. All right. Now big boy is gonna have a bowl. He's gonna have a feast with all kind of vegetables, eggshell. So is the big boy. He'll eat the eggshell. We're gonna give some eggshell for him. Here it is, big boy. You wanna eat? Come on. There you go. Start eating. Good boy. Apple? You wanna eat apple? Come on. Go ahead. Come on. Good boy. Good boy, big boy. There you go. Yes. Yum, yum. Good boy. How about shell? Okay, let's put in a leaf so you don't bite my hands. Here we go. Good boy. Good boy, big boy. Yes. Yum, yum. All right. Good boy. How about some celery? You want to bite celery? We have to cut for you, I guess. There you go. Don't bite my finger. All right, we'll cut it for you. Here's some apple. He wants some fruits, I guess. Here we go. Good boy. He scares me. Sometimes he bites my hands. Okay, there's the seeds, big boy. You have to take it out. All right, good boy. That's it. Here we go. There's a seed. Just a minute. Here we go. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Plum? Yum, yum. Okay, there is some seeds in it. Wait a minute. Wait. Here we go. He's huge. Sometimes he bites my finger because he's so excited to eat all those good stuff. Good boy. I want to thank to some of the markets that they giving us some stuff to feed this animal because he eats a lot and we need some help. We want him to grow healthy. Good boy. His head is bigger than my hands. Here's big boy. He likes me to feed him. All right. We have to hold it like this, otherwise he bites my hands. My finger, he doesn't see it. Good boy. Good boy, big boy. He dropped it. And the chickens too, they are enjoying. With the turtle, they all share together. All right. Good boy. Now you have to eat alone by yourself. We have to bring the little one now. This is our big boy. And this is his food. He eats better than we do. This is his salad. This is his diet. Apple, carrots, lettuce, celery, cabbage. He eats all kind of things. Grape leaf, cucumber leaf. And this is the healthiest tortoises that you will see. It will be nice if any market can donate vegetable so our turtle can live and live healthy, survive healthy way. Thank you again for the Fields Market. We appreciate. Thank you again. Here's my turtles. One of them is big. It's almost like 75 to 100 pounds. And here's the middle one, which she must be, I'm not sure how many, but he's 5 years old. And this one is about 35 years old. Here we go. It's okay. Here we go. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. They're eating vegetables and I have to go find more vegetables for him. He eats grass and he eats all kind of vegetables. We have to find where we can get it for him. It's okay, Big Boy. His name is Big Boy. There you go. Here we go. Good boy. So, these are my turtles. They are here. I have to feed them every day. Hi, Big. Here's one big happy family. They eat all together. Come on, chickies. Come on and eat. Good girl. Good girls. Come on. Here's the big tortoises. Here's the small one. And here's the chickens. Here. Come here, Abik. Good boy. Good girl. Come here. You want me to feed you? All right. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Just don't bite my hands. Good boy, Big Boy. They all eat together. Come here, Chicky. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on, let's eat. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. This big boy, he wants to eat from Mom's hands. Good girl, good boy. Yeah, I don't want you to bite my hands. He's the size of my hand. He said he's the size of my hands. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.